Hey, it's Dan here. I'm hoping to clear up some of the questions about the 10 years on YouTube anniversary sale. Celebrate 10 years on YouTube with Dan the Man. This is his biggest sale ever. Here's your chance to get $2,400 worth of Dan's best selling products for only $97. The sale ends in 11 hours, 45 minutes, and 44 seconds. There's a trailer right here that you can watch, but I wanted to go over what is actually in this online school lifetime access package. So all 17 of my classes, I'm going to show you some of these in a minute. These are super high quality videos. They were DVDs. You know, it's got the excellent audio, the B-roll, up close instructions. So it's about 3 levels or 10 levels really above my YouTube videos, which are pretty low production value. So it can make it a little bit more difficult to learn some of the more minutiae, whereas on these classes here, there'll be close-ups and stuff like that. So that's one of the benefits of these online classes. Also, just staying on topic, which, as you know, and I can't really give anyone any beef about it, it's true. Basically, every video on YouTube of mine is a tangent. All 17 of these online classes are on point from beginning to end, because what we would do is make an outline and then I would follow it. I should probably try that more often. The online classes are Detox Mastery, Juicing Mastery, Transitioning to Raw, Blending Mastery, Warm on Raw, Dan's Favorite Raw Recipes, Lose 1 pound a day the healthy way, Go Raw, Stay Raw, Green Juice Recipes for Detox and Regeneration, Raw Kitchen Essentials, Gourmet Raw Vegan Party Foods, Low-Fat Vegan Recipes for Energy and Weight Loss, Juicing and Energy for Peak Performance, Life-Saving Salads and Dressings, Green Juice Recipes for Radiant Health and Beautiful Skin, and then Food as Medicine Volume 1, Dressings, Dips, Sauces for Healing, Food as Medicine Volume 2. I've actually still got 6 more volumes to film in the Food as Medicine video series. And then you get, of course, the 30-Day Living Foods Transformational Program, which is including the Living Food Recipe Guide. I'm working on a recipe book right now that is totally separate, but it's a pretty big project because we're going to have a lot of videos to go with it. That'll probably come out sometime next year, but for now, the Living Food Recipe Guide with the 30-Day Living Foods Transformational Program is basically the only recipe book that I've got right now. And it's designed to go with the 30-Day Living Foods Transformational Program, so there was no good way just to separate that. So I have to totally create a whole new recipe book. There's about 300 live food recipes in here, all DTM approved, and everything tastes good, and everything is easy to make. It's not like these gourmet things that it's like it takes 18 hours to make your dinner. At most, you're going to be dehydrating some crackers or pizza crust or something like that, or the hamburger buns, whatever. And so it's all pretty easy. And here's the never before seen videos that are only a part of this particular sale or the full tuition on the website. And then here is just, hundreds of audios right here that are MP3 quality, and then you can listen to those as you're driving around and stuff, or walking or whatever, and that'll keep you in the loop. So those are really handy. I love audios myself. It's one of the reasons I learned. I could go to work and I would listen to audios all day. It's one of the ways I changed my life. The Sedona Chronicles with Lou Corona, a very special 4 series going over the 4 principles. The Insiders Club archive, so everything I've ever put up on the Insiders Club, that is again private videos, over 100 hours there, and then some more private treasure chest videos. So a whole bunch of stuff that is not on the YouTube. And then there's some categories. One of them is the funny ones where I get more goofy. General health, juicing, recipes, spiritual, the video outtakes, which there's plenty of those. There's thousands of outtakes, to tell you the truth, especially over the last couple of years, as I struggled with, just how I wanted to be. And now I'm just being myself. So, and I'm just like, deal with it. And then here's my 4 favorite healing juices. And then here are 3 best-selling audio programs: Get Healthy Now, Instant Energy, and Fast, Easy, and Permanent Weight Loss. Those are really awesome programs. And then here's just a live chat that everyone really, really loves, so we thought we would just put that in as a bonus. The 7-Day Reboot is a really, really great program. It's utilizing the Paradigm products. So that would be really good. I do plan on making a video on the upgraded version of how to use the Paradigm products. I'll be doing that on the YouTube one of these days soon. But for now, the 7-Day Reboot is the how to use the Paradigm products. I'm going to show you the school here in a minute. So here we go. So I obviously am a student, so I go up here to the login. And by the way, here is the, I'm screaming at you. I always get excited. It's called the Life Regenerator mode is what I call it. One day I hope we can chill out at the beach and just do a satsang together, and I'm mostly silent during those times. But anyways, here's my email list if you haven't signed up already. There are some videos that have been going out to the Insiders Club, and there will be more of those that are private Insiders Club videos because I feel more comfortable over there. The last one that I made a few days ago was me laying in bed, at the crack of dawn. So obviously not the professional guy over there behind the juicer and stuff. So join up for the email list if you want to stay in the loop. And so here is the login. You click log in, bam, and hopefully it remembers me. Yes, so I'm already signed in because I put on here, I said to remember me. So once you click remember me, your browser will automatically log you in. And then what I have is all of the products that I own. So some people only get 1 or 2 things. So they come to their dashboard and they might have only the 30 Day Living Foods Transformational Program on their dashboard. Obviously me, since I'm the owner and the vice president, CEO of regenerateyourlife.org, online school, I get the full tuition. So this is what the full tuition gets you, is a full dashboard and full access to everything that's available. So you go here, and I'm 0 on life-saving salads and dressings. So let me click on that, resume course, bam. And then boom, check it out. Look at that. So a lot cleaner, a lot more professional edited videos, Hey, this is Dan McDonald again. Thank you for purchasing life-saving salads and dressings. Let's show you a little bit something in here, and I'll show you a couple other ones too. Let's see if that's going to work out for us here or not. Doesn't look like it's working. I wanted to show you a little bit of the B-roll and stuff. Well, now I'm a little bit froze up, so not sure what's going on there. But let's try another one to see what happens here. Let's try, so you can see here, and boom, fast, easy, permanent weight loss. That's an audio. Let's do low-fat, raw vegan recipes for energy and weight loss. Much for your purchase of this the squashes. There's so many of them, and you go, well, what do I do with that? Well, you can make puddings, pies, cakes, and especially butternut squash noodles. Now, wasn't that easy for the noodles? The next thing is going to be a fantastic sauce, which again is so easy that you're not even going to believe it. You just take some tomatoes here,
And you, of course, you put the tomatoes, like I
So
said, put your juicy
just a little
stuff
bit
down the
easier to
bottom
learn,
first.
you know, on some of the
Take
small,
you can take 3 or 4 normal sized tomatoes.
you
Now
know,
remember, during the course
nuances.
of this DVD, we're making 1 serving. So all you have.
Boom. So anyways, I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like once you're inside the website. Juicing for energy and peak performance. Boom. I'll just do that and then I'll let you go because it's all there. And then it tracks your progress. So it shows you everything that you've been through. And then you'll know everything. And once you know, it's going to take you like years to get through this, you know? So let's see what we got here. Let's see if we can jump ahead for a second. Come on, baby, give it to me. Give me some love.
Now just go around.
There we go.
Test all
Boom.
these different apples. And I would sit up in the apple tree, and just all the horses would come over, and they knew who I was. They'd come over and congregate.
So, you know,
take a bite of it.
DTM style, but just better filming, better audio, you know. So, and just a ton of stuff. Go raw, stay raw, party foods. It's all there. And it's just, so that is my online school. That is what you get with the 10-year on YouTube anniversary sale, Juicing Mastery. Just some classics. Detox Mastery and Lose a Pound a Day are the top sellers. And I think that is just about it. The sale is only going for 1 more day. And then you can go to the website and let's see if we can find. Let's see if I can find. Okay, so I am on my dashboard. I'm trying to get to the website where you can see that I have an online store over there. There's customer service number. Let's see if I can find. I'll sign out and then I'll go to the website again. And I wanted to just show you so that I'm as thorough as possible on this video so that everything that I can think of gets answered. Come on, take me to regenerate. Okay, I guess it's not gonna, here we go. Let's see if I can go to the website. And so here's the store, the Paradigm, the minerals, blenders, water distillers, hair care, rebounders, juicers, food processors, jars and lids, minerals, my favorite books, supplements, and more. Obviously, everything's going to be DTM approved. You can go over here and get the some free insiders, or you join the Insiders Club, and I send my top 3 healing juices. Here's the blog, which hasn't had much activity lately. I'll throw something up over there, and then here's where you can ask the question, or you can praise me. Don't worry about that. Just take care of yourself. About Dan, my mission, disclosure, and then you can contact the ladies. And these women are the top level customer service. I mean, we are running a tight show. Don't let the goofiness of the Dan McDonald, dissuade you from believing that this is a very professional business. So we've modeled it around me. Hard thing to do for a guy who is a professional but doesn't wear shirt or shoes very often. So thanks a lot, everyone, for watching this video. I just wanted to, I'm going to send that on all platforms. And the sale, yeah, it's going for another 12 hours or so. And I really appreciate all the love and support. It's been great to have an excuse to produce a bunch of content, and I've got more coming for you. So have an epic day. Take care of yourselves, and yeah, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Goodbye.